In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify form to Klaviyo. The goal here is simple. When someone subscribes through your Shopify form, that subscriber can be synced into a specific list in Klaviyo, so you can follow up with email marketing in an organized way. Start in Klaviyo. From your main menu, go to Integrations and then select Shopify. This is where Klaviyo manages how it communicates with your Shopify store and what data gets shared. Once you are in the Shopify integration area, click Manage. This opens the settings you will need to adjust for subscriber syncing. Next, look for the option that says Sync your Shopify subscribers to a Klaviyo list and check that box. Enabling this tells Klaviyo to take people who subscribe in Shopify and add them to a list you choose in Klaviyo. Right after you check it, you will see a drop-down where you can select your target list. Choose the list you want these Shopify form signups to flow into. Make sure you pick the correct one, especially if you have separate lists for different regions, brands, or sign-up sources. When you are done, click Save Settings. This is important because if you leave this page without saving, your changes will not be applied. Now switch over to Shopify. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. This takes you into the theme editor, where you can control embedded apps and features that affect how your storefront behaves. On the left sidebar, select App Embeds. Find Klaviyo in the list, toggle it to On, and then click Save. Turning on the Klaviyo app embed helps ensure the integration features are active in your storefront theme, and saving locks in that change. Finally, make sure your Shopify form has email marketing consent enabled. This consent is critical for compliance and for ensuring subscribers are properly marked as marketing subscribers when they sign up. If consent is not enabled, contacts may not sync as expected or may not be usable for marketing. Once these settings are in place, your Shopify form signups should connect cleanly to your Klaviyo list. And that is all there is to it.